Good morning, guys. It's another productive day. So as usual, it's my day off. Today we're gonna go run errands. I just have my second hair laser appointment scheduled today, so I'm just gonna do that. 9 a.m. Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 8:06.
So I'm leaving at 8:20, so I'm a bit in a hurry. First we're gonna go to the hair laser appointment and then maybe walk around the city. I'm gonna do grocery. It won't be a lot, it's just gonna be a quick one because I still have a bit of food left to cook in here, so I'm probably just gonna grab the basics, the things I really need. I think that should be it. I just have chai tea. I have a package I received today. It's from JV Coffee, so we're gonna taste that later. It's a concentrated coffee, so you just pour it in and then you just mix a bit of water or milk depending on what you usually have. So yeah, I'm gonna show you that later. For now, we don't have any time left. I'm gonna finish my makeup. All we need is just my eyebrow. It's a must. If I'm looking up, it's because the mirror's in there. What's the weather like today?
It's currently clear and 13 degrees. Today's high will be 21 degrees and the low will be 12.
So when I come back, I'm gonna go to the gym because I haven't been to the gym for the past week. I was just lazy baby. I've been feeling tired, and you know, it's not a crime to take a break. I've just been on my bed my free time, so I haven't been to the gym. We're gonna hit the gym a bit later when we come back, and then I'm probably gonna do a reorganization of my room. I don't know, I just like reorganizing my room every once in a while. Feels like a new start. Makes me excited to do stuff and be productive. Also clears my mind, also a creative outlet. I just love rearranging my room, see what works best. I don't know if it's even equal, but I don't think we have the time. And look at that pimple. Forget your sunblock. I find that drinking tea or coffee makes me more regular, you know? Like my bowel is more regular, so I don't skip that. I try not to skip that. It's so cold. Okay, I'm done cooking rice, done meal prepping. I still have leftover from the last time I cooked, so I just used that for my meal prep. And now I'm just gonna do a quick taste test. For this one, it's a little like mini sliced cakes with durian flavor. Got this from the Asian shop, so I'm just gonna try. I also got my favorite one, my anchovies. The Asian shop. So good. Looks like that. Now I'm just gonna quickly unbox this package from JB Coffee. This is this one. Let's see. My background's really dirty, so let me just close that. I have two packages that I received in the mail. One's from JB Coffee. They kindly sent me a sample of their product so that I can try it. It's just a concentrated coffee. Talk about that later. And I also have a package from Jessa. These are just skincare products that I have been using and ones I wanted to try. I got this one peptide ampule cream. This one from the brand Menor. I don't know how you say that. But I know peptides are really beneficial for your skin. It helps delay signs of aging. Helps a lot with skin elasticity, inflammation. Helps prevent acne breakouts. So it does a lot for your skin. There you go, and look like that. I have this one from Misha. It's an SPF 45 sunscreen. I've been looking for a sunscreen that's not very sticky, not very thick. I found this on Yestyle and I was curious about it, so I wanted to give it a try. But we'll see. I still have my Neutrogena though. Ooh, it has like a watery texture, not very thick, which is what I'm looking for. So I feel like this is my new go-to sunscreen. So it's Essence Sun SPF 45 from the brand Misha. Done with the skincare products. Now let's open this one from JB Coffee. Straws inside. Reusable straws with cleaner coffee. This is a concentrated coffee, which you can bring anywhere. So each bottle you get 30 servings of coffee. So that's 30 servings in a bottle. You just put this in your cup, in your mug, and then you add water or milk, whichever suits you. It says simply take 1 to 2 teaspoons of microdose and mix it with your favorite liquid for a perfect cup of coffee. I'll probably try this later. That's how it looks. I'll link this down below. I'm also gonna make a YouTube shorts for this one.
You've been gone for so long, forgotten what your face looks like, what it feels like. Your words still seared into my ears from a long-awaited too short phone call. I'll see you soon. I'll feel you soon. 'Cause we're not meant to sleep alone. I'll call your name out till you phone and tell me one last time you're coming home. You're coming home. And when you left, you said you'd be happier than you or me.
Okay guys, I'm done rearranging my table now. It's facing the sun, so it should be better lighting for when I vlog. I didn't change much at the room, so the bed's still in here, the mirror's still in there, and yeah, I'm just gonna quickly change because I'm already debating on whether or not I should go to the gym, and you can see my face, it's been very round, so I have to get ready, get changed, do a bit of run in the gym, ab workout, and then I'm gonna go home. So yeah.
Could ever dream. I disagree. 'Cause you and we've come so far since laughing like we own the bar and being
Done showering. I'm just gonna quickly do my skincare, dry my hair, get my laundry from outside, fix my bed. The sheets must be dry now. Okay guys, Queenie's home and we're going out for dinner. So excited. I'm just gonna fix my bed, the sheets, and then we're gonna go. I'm gonna quickly change and then we're gonna leave for dinner. This is always a struggle.
I play back when it's over, the back when it's over, back when it's over. I want back when it's back when it's over. The way you touch my shoulder. I want back when it's over, the back when it's over. Try to walk straight, but I'm stumbling down. Try to walk away, but I'm coming back now. I wasn't sure, but I didn't know how. Why I try so hard. Don't know what to do when it's making me cry. Don't know what to feel, I don't understand why. I needed you, but I didn't know why. But now you're leaving. Girl, I know I'm not much better.
Good Fortune fried rice. We're at the train station. Running late.
So what, the minority groups are not obstructed?
With the best. We're going to a theme park.
Maybe this is heaven, maybe that's just you. I don't trust my judgment, 'cause I'm just 22. My mind just running circles, my heart is out in the rain. I know that this is sudden, but do you feel the same? Do you feel the same?
Oh my
Do
god!
you feel that I can't make my mind up? I don't know what to do. I'm trying.
Guys, I just can't. Especially if it's a steep ride, I can't. I'm gonna die. But Queenie loves it. Guys, we're looking for certain food. Was it turkey or something? Cheers!
Trying to be honest, point of view. So you tell me that you're leaving, but I wish you would stay. Think that this is worth it, but do you feel the same? Do you feel the same? Do
Pulled pork and fries.
you feel the same? Do you feel the same? But if you're thinking not today, I'd rather have the truth than start and love is fake. And baby, tell me if you need your space. But if you're feeling lonely, I'm an hour away. I know you told me, baby, but do you feel the same?